Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see an Uniswap review. Uniswap is one of the most popular decentralized exchanges in the crypto world, built on Ethereum blockchain. It allows users to swap tokens directly from their wallets. No central authority, no sign-up, and no KYC required. Anyone can list a token or provide liquidity. You hold full control over your assets. Uniswap supports thousands of ERC20 tokens, including some that aren't listed on major centralized exchanges. Just connect your wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet and start swapping instantly. Also, users can add funds to liquidity pools and earn a share of the trading fees. But some of the downsides of Uniswap, since it's on Ethereum, fees can be very expensive during network congestion. Swapping small amounts may not be worth it. Also, it's fully decentralized, so if you send funds to the wrong place or interact with a scam token, there is no one to help you recover your funds. And anyone can create a list of the token, so double-check the contract address before swapping. So, is Uniswap safe? Yes, Uniswap smart contracts are open source and audited, and it has a strong reputation in the crypto space, but remember, you're responsible of your own wallet, security, and decisions. So finally, Uniswap is a revolutionary for crypto users who want fast, decentralized trading without third-party involvement. It's especially powerful for those dealing with new or rare tokens. However, it's not ideal for beginners or those with small balances due to gas fees. If you're comfortable with DeFi and Ethereum wallets, Uniswap is must-know tool in your crypto journey. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.